Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. I want to welcome you to our new office location on 237th First Avenue. You come right off the elevator and voila, we're right here. And come on in and enter our space, check it out. So this is our brand new office location. We're on the same corner we used to be. And as you can see, folks, we put a lot of work into this 2,500 square foot space. And right here we have our virtual assistant, Marjorie, right here on the screen. Marjorie, say hello to everyone.
Hi everyone, morning or good afternoon.
Yes, and over here we've got two bathrooms, all unisex bathrooms, both there in the corner, and then over here a kitchenette for the staff. But let's get into the medical side of this practice because this is a healing space. So as we come over here, you can see obviously our seating here, our waiting rooms. But as we go into this room, this is our physical therapy room. And I'm gonna show you around here. And this is where all the rehab begins and ends. We've got full equipment, everything from TRX to squat rack, bands, you name it, as well as this new Freak Athlete Hyper GHD. This is an 8-in-1 table, does leg extensions, hamstrings. We've got our dumbbells here. The dumbbells over here, you see, they're adjustable. Same thing with our kettlebells, foam rollers, everything you would need. And then of course, our treatment beds over there, along with electric stim and your typical therapies. We have some better therapies like cold laser therapy and so on, and some private rooms and beds there. And in the corner back here, we've got some more space back there. We won't go back there. I'm gonna flip it around and you can check out our chiropractic portion and acupuncture portion. So here's some seating. And then right over here, we have two rooms that are closed because there is a doctor in there right now treating some patients, but we have a chiropractor, Dr. Alice Bear, there practicing. And then as we come around the corner here, we've got some more treatment rooms. And this is a room that our mental health therapist sees patients out of, and a nice spacious room you can see here. So mental health therapy, psychology, and also acupuncture goes on in this room. And then over here, we have chiropractic. This is one of my office spaces. I'm gonna turn on the light here. So you can see here, this is a decompression table, both for the neck and the lower back. And we've got all the equipment you could ask for, cold laser therapy, right over here in the corner. And then we go down to this room. Here's my office, and this room, very similar in the sense that besides my desk, we have the table right here. This is a Cox flexor distraction table with cold laser there in the corner, and all other types of therapies, Graston therapies, things like that, that patients may need to rehab and get back to injury or pre-injury status. And there is me showing my Ironman completion in 2012, the New York Ironman, the US Championships in 2012. One of the most difficult things I've ever done. And then over here, it's a little dark in here, huh? We have our digital X-ray machine, and then our EMG machine right there in the middle. And then right over here is a massage table. You're free to sign up for a free 1-hour massage if you're one of our patients. You can do that online at www.synergywellnessny.com. And that's pretty much it. That is the office space of Synergy Wellness. Feel free to come on in and get a treatment or have an assessment, whatever the injury may be. It could be back, it could be spinal, it could be shoulder, ankle, knee, it could be a neurological condition. We treat a wide range of symptoms, and you can certainly see what we treat, some of what we treat on our website at synergywellnessny.com. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you.